When I first started using agents in 2024, they couldn't really do much. They could answer simple questions, they could write some code for me, but I couldn't really use agents to do things. Today, my OpenClaw can use a browser to go and book me reservations for my restaurant or fetch workout videos from YouTube.
This is Shubhankar, Browserbase, take one.
I'm Shubhankar. I'm sales engineer at Browserbase. I work with our customers to help deploy Browserbase in the most optimized, reliable fashion. I work very forward deployed motion, can be very hands-on. I'll fly to your office and work with you. But yeah, that's what I do at Browserbase.
What is the most creative thing that you've seen a customer build on top of Browserbase?
One of the most creative use cases of Browserbase has been Amplitude. Amplitude's GTM team uses Browserbase to actually create demos for their end customers where they can simulate human traffic and show how a trend line or how a funnel would look if you were using Amplitude.
Which customers are you working with?
Browserbase supports teams at companies like Ramp, Lovable, Vanta and Clay, all of these AI teams which are building agents into their products. We're also working with teams at Microsoft and Google DeepMind to help them build their computer use models. When customers come to us, they're already building some sort of automation. It could be using something like Playwright or Puppeteer, and they've realized that these are super brittle. Websites change all the time, HTMLs change all the time. It's very difficult for them to maintain these, and they realize that AI has this beautiful power of being self-healing in some sense. If the website changes, the agent can adapt to it. If you're looking to build an agent that can actually do things on the web, Browserbase is the right choice. It gives you the infrastructure. You can get remote browsers in the cloud. And also it gives you the SDK. Stagehand is our SDK which allows you to, hey, go and click on this button, go and complete this flow for me. If you want to get started with Browserbase, the easiest way is go to browserbase.com/skill.md, put that into your Claude Core or put that into your Codex, tell it to build a simple browser agent workflow. You'll be surprised with what you see. I'd love to talk to you about your use case.